Peel is a very effective essay writing technique. It guides authors to convey their message to their readers in a structured way. Students need to master the Peel paragraph method for writing essays. Professional writers use this method to craft a persuasive document. So, what is this Peel technique for paragraph writing? In today's video, we will thoroughly discuss what is Peel paragraph and how to write an essay following the Peel structure. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button for more informative videos. Peel stands for point, evidence, explanation, and link. Point. The first component of a Peel paragraph is the point. Start your paragraph with the main idea or argument you will discuss. It will give the readers a clear conception and engage them to proceed through the rest of the paragraph. Evidence. Next, move on to the evidence you have gathered to establish your idea or argument. You must provide relevant facts, statistics, quotes, or examples to support your point. Including solid evidence will strengthen your argument and influence the readers to build trust in your idea. Explanation. Once you have presented your evidence, it's time for the explanation. You must explain how your evidence establishes your point. Point out the significance and relevance of your evidence through logical analysis, interpretations, or contextual information to help your readers understand the connection between your evidence and your argument. Link. Finish your paragraph with a link to your main point or topic argument. Here, you tie together your point, evidence, and explanation to maintain a smooth flow in your writing. For essays, use link to transit to the next paragraph or section. It will provide the readers with a seamless progression of thoughts between paragraphs. This way, the Peel technique creates a logical flow of ideas that strengthens your arguments and engages your readers. We hope now you can write a paragraph using the Peel method. Remember, this is all for today's video. Please like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon for instant updates on our new informative videos. See you in the next videos. Bye!